Your iPhone or iPad storage is full. You already deleted photos, deleted apps, but somehow your storage is still completely full. Well, watch this. Right now, my iPad is almost 60 gigabytes used out of only 64 gigabytes. And with one simple trick, I'm about to free up more than 20 gigabytes without losing my photos, without losing my videos, without losing my account, without resetting anything. And the crazy part, most people have no idea this hidden storage problem even exists. This works especially great for older iPhones and iPads with low storage like 64 gigabytes or even 32 gigabyte devices. And if you use apps like Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Studio, Facebook, CapCut, or any app where you upload videos or files, you need to see this. Alright, let me show you. First, open the Settings app, then scroll down and tap on General. After that, tap on iPad Storage. Now, look at this. My iPad storage is almost completely full. I'm using around 59 or 60 gigabytes out of 64 gigabytes. But here is the weird thing. I don't even have that many apps installed. My photos and videos are only taking around 1.5 gigabytes. So where is all the storage going? Now look at this. YouTube Studio alone is taking almost 24 gigabytes of storage. This is insane. And this happens because apps like YouTube Studio, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, CapCut, and other social media apps keep a lot of hidden cache files, uploaded videos, temporary files, and background data stored on your device over time, especially if you upload content directly from your iPhone or iPad. So here is the trick. All you have to do is delete the app and reinstall it again. That's it. And no, you are not losing your account. You're not deleting your YouTube channel. You're not deleting your Instagram account. Everything is saved online. All you need to do afterward is sign back in using your email and password. Here is exactly how to do it. Press and hold the app. Tap Remove App. Then tap Delete App. Now go to the App Store, search for the app again, and reinstall it. Once it finishes downloading, open it and sign back into your account. And now, look at the storage difference. Before, the app was taking almost 24 gigabytes. Now, after reinstalling, it's less than 1 gigabyte. That means I just freed up more than 20 gigabytes of storage using one simple trick. And honestly, this is one of the best tricks for older iPhones and iPads, especially 64 gigabyte models. Because instead of deleting your memories, photos, or important apps, you can clear massive hidden storage that apps never show you properly. So go check your iPhone or iPad right now. You might be wasting tens of gigabytes without even realizing it. And if this video helped you, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications because I post useful iPhone and iPad tips every single day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.